Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It is time to check in with my skincare project pan. This is one I'm doing on my own before I join the Fantastic Ladies, so this is just my own thing. And I do have something to roll out, so yay, and I have some exciting progress too. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that's on my list is what I can roll out, and it is my body cream. This is the Bath & Body Works Watermelon Mojito body cream. It's all used up. I'm not one to cut the tubes apart. I'm not that much of a completist, but I mean, I squeezed the heck out of that and got all I could get out. There's maybe just a tiny little bit left, but I'm not going to bother with it. So yeah, I'll have to roll something in. It smells good, but yeah, I used that up. Second on my list was my body wash. This is the Bath & Body Works. This is Hibiscus Paradise, and that's where I started, and I'm all the way down here. Now, I couldn't find my small Sharpie, so I have a big Sharpie, but it'll work just fine. Let me get to the line. There we go. That's some good progress, I think. Some pretty good progress. I love the scent of this. I don't know. Let's see, what's the notes on this? Pink hibiscus, juicy guava, and sun-kissed coconut. It smells yummy. I'm loving this. So, yeah, that's where I am on that one. Next was my face spray. I'm gonna put the mark. It's faded, but I can see it, so you can see it. It's faded, but I'm gonna redraw it a little bit. That's where I was, and you can see. Let me go down here, mark it right there. That's where I'm at. So I've used a bit of this, and I think I'm gonna spray some now. I feel a little. Let me turn that around so I don't get Sharpie on my hand. I'm going to get Sharpie on my hand. There we go. Let's spray a little more. So yeah, this is very refreshing since it's hot right now. I mean, it is so hot here. Next is my face cleanser. Now, after I filmed my last check-in with me, I weighed it. And I wrote it down. It weighed 90 grams. And I've been using this and using this. And I thought, man, I'm not getting anywhere with this. But I went and weighed it. And I'll put the picture up here. 20 grams. I'm down to 20 grams. And it feels much lighter. I hope this will be gone next month and I can roll something else in. So yay. This one's almost done. And then last was my Lancome eye cream that I thought I was putting a moisturizer in and just a regular one. And it turned out it was an eye cream, a full-size eye cream at that. But I am using it. I am not going to finish this up by the end of the year. No way. I don't slather on eye cream. In fact, with all my creams, I don't slather them on, except for my body. I use just a little bit. So I'm just going to keep it in, and we're just going to keep using it. So now I need to bring something into the project in place of that body cream, and so I thought I'd bring another body cream. The body cream I decided to bring in is from Win, which is known for their hair, their cleansing conditioners, which I was a Win girl for years. I still like Win. I have some conditioners around here I need to pull out. I use them just as conditioner. I don't use them as cleansing conditioners anymore. But, and I don't use them all the time. I kind of mix and match. But anyway, I got this intensive body treatment, and the scent is Love, and the scent is actually Plumeria. That's what the Love scent is, and it smells, oh, it smells so heavenly. It smells so good. I was just barely using this so I could keep it, and I'm like, why? this is the time to be using it. And this is summer and everything is smelling good, and I've got like beach vibes, even though I'm not going to the beach. It's a little too hot to go to the beach. But I thought, I'm going to use this. My goal is to use this up. Yeah, not just so many times. I'm going to use it up. So I don't know how long it's going to take me to use this, but I want to get it used up. Now, I weighed it, and I will put the photo up here. It weighs 175 grams. So, and just know when you're weighing these things, you're weighing packaging too, but there's no way around that. So at least we can keep track of how much I'm using of this. But yeah, this I love. This I love. So guys, that's where I'm at on this project pan, and I'm feeling pretty good about it. Even the eye cream, I can tell I have used some eye cream. I can tell. Like I said, I'm not slathering it on. I'm using it like I use all eye creams, just sparingly, because it doesn't take a lot. Just a little bit will do it. But I like how my progress is coming along with everything else. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would really love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.
Bye.